Okay, today we are checking out all the Mercedes AMG race cars that just showed up at the local barbecue spot. So check it out. Whoa, crazy. Okay, correction. Mercedes and Ferraris. That's pretty awesome. Awesome rides, guys. Pretty cool. You guys just stopping in for a quick meal, or
just a rest break.
right? Where y'all heading to?
Heading over to Danville.
Danville?
Yeah, we're going to a distillery.
Nice.
Name escapes me. And
Okay.
then tomorrow we'll go over to someplace where we kayak in a cave.
Yeah.
It's a little farther east.
Okay.
And
I'm recording this. I hope you don't mind.
No, that's fine.
This is what's your name?
Yeah, Dave.
Dave. And what group are you with?
Yeah, it's the Bourbon Run.
The Bourbon Run,
so
and so they're going on cave tour and
distillery tours.
Distillery tours.
Yeah, nice restaurants.
Really cool.
And then we go to, I think it's Keeneland Park. Is that right?
Keeneland? Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to go to that, kind of dress up.
Okay.
And then Sunday morning, one more distillery, and then head back to Nashville.
Okay.
Our base of operations.
All right.
Organized by the Auto Vault group.
Oh, very cool. Okay.
Yep.
Very neat, man.
About 25, 30 cars.
Wow.
And so we had a good time. And yesterday we were at the National Corvette Museum.
Yeah.
And we were on the track.
Yeah.
Had the track all to ourselves for
That's really
about
awesome.
4 hours.
Oh, that's
so
cool.
It was a good time.
I bet, man.
Yeah.
Well, Dan, thanks for sharing, man. Sure appreciate it.
Oh, yeah, no, glad to.
And
yeah, feel free to walk down and look at all the cars. People
okay.
are more than happy to let you.
We appreciate it, Dan. I've got a little YouTube channel. I might put this on it.
Okay, yeah, go for it.
It's called House Resurrection. If you ever want to take a look at it.
Sure.
All right, man. So we thank Dan for letting us know what's going on, and we're going to check out some more of these cars.
All right.
Thanks, Dan.
Yeah, glad to.
No traffic lights yet.
Wow. Really cool. Cool. Bourbon Run 2025. Very cool. Acura. NSX. McLaren. Very cool. Wow. These are awesome. This is so crazy. Ferrari. Customized Ferrari. Wow, look at that. Interesting. Bourbon Run 2025. The bi-turbo, I think that's a Mercedes. No, yeah. Another McLaren. And these are wild. Oh gosh. Very cool, very cool.
That's the house my dad grew up in. He went to Norfolk High School.
Very cool. So my personal favorite, I think, is this one here is a Lambo.
I can hear it every time you get on it.
No,
It's like
it's a Ferrari.
Well, it is really. His turbos are sitting right at his exhaust, and you can hear it. Like you would hear the.
So loud.
I was like, oh, he's about to go.
So
Which one's this?
the 458 Italian?
That's freaking sick, man.
They all come out.
Pretty awesome. Of course, none of these are slouch rides at all, right? They're pretty awesome, man.
All of them are great cars.
Yeah, pretty cool. I even like that Beamer, man. It's pretty neat.
Oh yeah.
Pretty sweet.
I think this one's got like 500 horsepower there.
Wow.
It's got some stuff done to it.
Right on, man. Yeah, those M's are they're pretty tough.
Oh yeah.
I've been a fan of those for a long time.
The drive's so good.
Oh, heck yeah. I had a friend that had one when I used to live out in Oklahoma. He was an attorney.
Yeah.
And his Speedo on his, it was, I can't remember which one it was, 740M or something like that. And his speedo said 140 miles an hour. I was like, my GTA says 140 miles an hour. It was way less than this thing was. He was like, yeah, but it's not as nice as this. I was like, that's true. Hey, nice chatting with you, man. Oh, wow. That is freaking insane. Oh my gosh, so crazy. All right, so these Lambos, this is insane. That is so cool. Bourbon Run 2025. Got a, what you call it? Horse back here. So crazy. GT3 RS.
How are you?
Great, man. How's it going? Love your car.
Oh, I appreciate it.
Yeah, really cool, man. Poor Spider RS. That's insane. Very cool. So these guys are all from Nashville. The Bourbon Run 2025. There's a good look at it in case anybody wants to look it up. Lamborghini with the wow. So this is pretty freaking cool. If you ever wanted to see in a side of a Murcielago, here it is. Wow. The roof of this car comes down to my belly button. Wow. Scissor door. Very cool. That is so cool. Yeah. Nothing can put a smile on this redneck's face as much as about 30 hypercars all being parked right across the street from my house. Wow. Check that out. That's pretty wild. Carbon fiber work there.
The guy from the Viper, if he goes, he'll get here way before we do.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah. We're not going the fastest way. They're going like.
Now this is a. That's a really big wheel, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's like a 22-inch wheel or something. Pretty insane. McLaren. Wow. It's not every day like 30 hypercars park right across the street from your house, so.
Yeah, I guess.
Thanks for letting me videotape them. That's very cool. Red Ferrari over here. Very neat. Look at them lines. That is freaking insane. Wow. Y'all have a great day. How you doing? All right. It's so crazy. This one here is one of my favorites. The GTR AMG. Insane, man. Look at that. Wow. There's some controls right there. Jeez. V8 by turbo. This Ferrari's full race, man. Crazy. Pretty crazy.
I think it is powder, baking soda, because they love the sugar, but they can't.
Very cool. There's another one of the GTR AMG. That thing is sick. That chick said we were doing 200. Well, that's going to be that on that. And we've got some new Dead House videos that will be coming your way soon. Resurrection is out.